Hi, my angels. Have you ever watched a show where the main character completely transforms herself and thought, there's no way someone could actually have a glow up like that in real life? Well, what if I told you there are 5 simple things you can start doing before school begins that will drastically improve your appearance? In today's video, I'll be sharing these simple glow up hacks to help you become the most confident and radiant version of yourself by the time the new school year begins. So let's get into it. Hack 1. Develop a personal skincare routine. Instead of blindly following every skincare trend you see online, take the time to understand your own skin. Everyone's skin is different, and a product that works for one person might not work the same way for someone else. Start by learning your skin type and finding products that are made to support your skin's needs. Here is a guide into understanding yours. There's 6 main different types of skin. In order to get that glass skin glow that idols like Wonyoung are known for, it's important to follow a skincare routine that focuses on keeping your skin healthy, hydrated, and well cared for. A good skincare routine usually includes products like a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and buildup, a toner to help hydrate and balance your skin, a serum to target specific skin concerns, a moisturizer to lock in hydration, and SPF to protect your skin during the day. For K-beauty skincare products, I recommend brands like COSRX, Beauty of Hosalon, Skin 104, Round Lab, Anua, and Torridon. These brands are known for their hydrating and gentle formulas that can help you build a skincare routine focused on achieving healthy, glowing skin. Hack 2. Finding a makeup style fit for your face. Makeup is a great way to express your personality and change your overall aesthetic. There are so many different styles you can explore, such as doughy makeup, which features soft, doll-like details, sparkly eyes, and defined lashes. Igari makeup, known for its flushed blush placement and youthful appearance. Clean girl makeup, which focuses on minimal, fresh, and polished features. Soft glam makeup, which creates a more elegant and defined look while still looking natural. And so many more makeup looks for you to choose from. But, Lumi, how do I find my makeup style? A really simple way to find out which makeup style suits you the best is knowing whether you're a high visual weight or a low visual weight. But, Lumi, how do I know if I'm a high or low visual weight? The answer is actually simple. People with high visual weight often have bigger features and a smaller or well-structured face. But people with low visual weight tend to have smaller features and a rounder face shape. Some signs to look out for is a high nose bridge, high cheekbones, bigger eyes, and a sharper jawline. These likely mean that you are a high visual weight. Bolder makeup styles are better for high visual weight to bring out all of your features. Some signs to look for are a rounder face, no particular feature standing out, every feature blending nicely on your face. These likely mean you are low visual weight and softer makeup styles suit you the best. Now that you know if you're a high or low visual weight, you can explore and pick the makeup style best suited for your face and self-expression. Hack 3. Fitness and posture. One of the biggest glow-up hacks that people often overlook is fitness and posture. You don't need to spend hours in the gym or completely change your lifestyle. Even simple habits like going on daily walks, stretching, trying Pilates, or staying active can make a huge difference in how you feel and look. Pilates help to tone and slim your body as well as something calm to add to your routine. Some of my favorite Pilates videos are these. I highly recommended checking these videos out, and other videos by the creators. Another thing is aiming for 7 to 10k steps a day. Going for a daily walk helps with your fitness in mind. Stretching is another important part of a glow-up routine because it helps improve your flexibility, mobility, and posture. Taking a few minutes to stretch each day can help your body feel less stiff. Hack 4. Upgrade your style and wardrobe. Your style is one of the easiest ways to express yourself and completely change your overall vibe. Before school starts, take some time to look through your wardrobe and figure out what styles you're naturally drawn to. You can create a Pinterest board, save outfit ideas, and find inspiration from different aesthetics like old money, coquette, clean girl, streetwear, Y2K, or a QB. You don't need to buy a whole new wardrobe to upgrade your style. Sometimes changing small details, like adding accessories, layering clothes, styling your hair differently, or putting more thought into your outfits can make a huge difference. Hack 5. Take care of yourself. Finally, The last glow up hack is something that might seem like basic advice, but a lot of people still forget to prioritize it: taking care of yourself. A glow up doesn't only come from makeup, skincare, or clothes. The way you treat your body and your overall health plays a huge role in how you look and feel. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Aiming for around 2 liters can be a good goal for many people. Getting enough sleep is also important, so try to get around 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to help your body recharge. The biggest glow up happens when you start treating yourself with care. When you feel your best on the inside, that confidence naturally shows on the outside. Thank you so much for watching, Angels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-love, confidence, and glow-up content. Feel free to leave any video requests or questions in the comments. See you soon, Angels.